Hello everyone. Start to the next subject, computer graphics. First of all, what is a computer graphics? The creation, manipulation and storage of geometric object and their images, display those images or screen or hard copy devices, then image processing others operation, that is a GUI, displays VR. This is a all performing in the operation. This called as a computer graphics. Then start to the lesson first. Introduction to computer graphics. Computer graphics main points. First of all, introduction. Second one is a advantages and third number is a areas of application. Then first of all, introduction. What is meant by computer graphics? Your exam you asking the 2 or 3 marks question. What is a computer graphics and what is the advantages in computer graphics? First of all, what is a computer graphics? The computer graphics involves display, manipulation, data for proper visualization using computer, generate 2D images of a 3D world represented in a computer. Then creation, manipulation and storage of geometric object and their images. Then display those images on screen or hard copy in devices. Then main task in a computer graphics. First is a modeling. Modeling means creating and representing the geometry of object in the 3D world. Then rendering, this is a generating 2D images of the object. Then animation is describing how object change in time. Then diagram in computer graphics. To 3D geometric data interacts with a computer graphics to interacts with a 2D image. Means 3D geometric data is interacts with a compute light interaction and geometric projection from a 3D to 2D images. Then performing in a computer graphics. Then definition is computer graphics. CS is the discipline of producing picture or images using a computer, including modeling, creation, manipulation and storage of geometric object and rendering, converting a scene to an image, or the process of transformation, rasterization, shading, illumination and animation of the image. This called by the computer graphics. Then typical graphical system consists of a host computer with supports of a fast processor, large memory, frame, buffer and this is a 3-point displaying. Display devices, it is a monitor. Input devices, it is a keyboard, mouse like as a joystick. Then output devices, it is a printer, plotters and LCD panel. Then common terms in a computer graphics. This is a diagram of a common terms in a computer graphics. Each box represented are a pixel. Means each represent are a box is denoted by the pixel. Then pixels. What is mean by pixel? The computer store and display pixels or picture elements. Then second one, a pixel is the smallest addressable part of the computer screen to the display by the monitor. Then a pixel is stored as a binary code represented a color using by the RGB color. Red, blue, white, black. This is the RGB color are using the pixel. The code for a pixel can have between 1 and 32 bits of a binary code. Here is the Photoshop logo at the normal size. This is here it is a enlarged 400 so that you can see the individual pixel. Each box has a denoted as a pixel. Then characteristics of a computer. Characteristics of a computer, first is a storage, second one is a speed, third one is a accuracy, no IQ, diligence and no feeling, logical, automation, reliability and versatility. This is a all over characteristics of a computer graphics. Then advantages. First is a high quality graphics. Display provide best way to communicate with computer. Then it is a possible to produce animation. Then can be used to control animation such as a speed, total scene in the view etc. Provides facility of update dynamic which can be used to change shape, color and other properties of object in view. What is a type in a shape? Circle, curve, ellipse, square, rectangle. This is a types in a shape. Then last one point, with the development in DSP, it can provide audio feedback along with the video. This is a display by the monitors. Then interactive graphic system. What is an interactive graphic system? It is a application model. Application model interacts with a application program. Application program interaction with a graphic system. Then graphic system interacts with a display unit or input unit interacts with a graphic system. This is all our operation is called as a interactive graphics system. Then components of a computer graphics. First is a animation. Animation, it is a sub points simulating changes over time. Second one is a simulates the way object move and interact. Describing how object change in a time, motion, representation and control. Then second point, storing. What is the storing of the data? Storing scenes and images in a memory and on a disk, means main memory. It is a store by the data. Then imaging, representing 2D images. Then presentation graphics. What is a presentation graphics types? Means what is a type in a design limited in a presentation graphics by the next screen. First type is a curve. A curve is an infinitely large set of points. Then parametric representation are the most common in a computer graphics. First is a implicit curves, second one is a explicit curves and last one is a parametric curves. Then ellipse. What is the mean by the ellipse? The ellipse, an ellipse is defined as the set of points such that the sum of the distance from two fixed position is the same for all points. This is called as a ellipse. For example, syntax ellipse xy, x comma y comma start comma end comma x rad comma y rad. This is a syntax of a ellipse. Look at this figure. X, y are a coordinates of a center point. Then start end, this is a starting and ending angles of a ellipse. Means look at this figure, F1, F2, then center, semi, minor axis, linear, then focus, vertex, co-vertex and semi-major axis. This is a working by the ellipse. Then next one is a polygon. What type in a polygon? a shape that is a two-dimensional flat closed straight line sides, this called as a polygon. Polygon, it is a object with a more than two vertices is called as a polygon. Then a polygon is an order list of a vertices that is a continuous piecewise linear closed planar curve. It is a non-self interesting than simple and polygon with the n sides. Then major characteristics includes triangles, squares, rectangles, skids, hexagons, etc. Then polygon name what is created? Poly means gone and many means corner. This is a more than two vertices is called as a polygon. Then example, it is a look at the screen. Then non-example, it is a look at the screen. Circle, it is a non-polygon. Then next one point. What is a rectangle? It is a four-side flat shape with a straight side where all interior angles are right angles. It is a 19-degree. Look at this figure. This called as a rectangle. Then also opposite sides are parallel and of the equal length. This called as a rectangle. Then circle. What is a circle? A circle is a simple shape in a geometry. Then it is the set of the all points in a plane that are at a given distance from a given point. The center equivalently, it is the curve traced out by a point that moves so that is a distance from a given point is a constant. The distance between any of the points and the center is called the radius. Then look at this figure. Radius, then diameter and chord. This called by the circle. Then syntax of the circle in bracket x, y and r. R for the radius, x and y, this is a circle points. Then next one is a thank you students. Keep watch my video.